Good morning, everyone. I hope my voice is audible, screen is visible. Yes, yes. Very good. Clear. So student, in the last lecture, we have done the chapter trigonometry and we have seen some doubts from AP and quadratic equation. I hope everyone remember last lecture. We have done with trigonometry and we have saw, yes. Very good. Very good. Chaliye. So now student, today we are going to start. I have shared all the worksheet, all PDF I have shared by Joyce, I have shared. It's very difficult, Atharva, to revise everything every day. Yes, we don't have height and distance in our syllabus. Chaliye. So student, today we are going to see the very easy chapter from maths. We'll see 2 chapters today. We'll complete 1 chapter's MCQ and second will be, we'll just have introduction. The name of 2 chapter is coordinate geometry. Irrespective of your any board, you are from any board, you can ask, you have done this chapter in your previous standard, coordinate geometry, section formula, midpoint formula, centroid formula. I hope everyone has done this. Midpoint, section, distance, irrespective of any board. Yes, yes. And the second part that we are going to do today is of Pythagoras. Board student has this. Board student has this chapter separately, Pythagoras theorem. CBSE have done this Pythagoras in your name chapter triangles. आपको याद होगा CBSE, one of your favorite chapter, that is triangles. CBSE has done triangle. And ICSE student, you have done this in your 9th standard. ICSE student, you have done your Pythagoras in your 9th standard. If you remember, Pythagoras in your 9th standard, ICSE student, you have done this. Okay. So now today, first we'll start with the coordinate geometry. I'll just recap कि coordinate geometry में होता क्या है. Everyone please try to write with me. The first concept we have is of distance formula. First concept for today's lecture we'll have of distance formula. For suppose A point is given x1, y1, B point is given x2, y2. Now suppose I want to calculate distance AB. Then distance AB is given by under root x2 minus x1 whole bracket square plus y2 minus y1 whole bracket square. Distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole bracket square plus y2 minus y1 whole bracket square. Now suppose some student have sign confusion. So for them, I'll show you one question how to remember this formula. Like suppose you have a is equal to minus 3 and 2, b is equal to 5 comma suppose 6. Now suppose student first point will be always x1 y1, second point will be x2 y2. Now student please pay attention to what I'm saying. If you haven't signed confusion, so what you have to do, student, please pay attention. You have to keep your x2 as it is, this x2 and y2 as it is. For example, here x2 is 5 and you will take x1 and y1 with opposite sign. You will take x1 and y1 with opposite sign. Now, for example, here x1 is what? Minus 3. So you're going to take as plus 3. y2 as it is 6. y1 is plus 2. So you will take as minus 2. Why we have done this, student? Because यहाँ पे minus है. अगर मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा माइनस है, मैंने लिखा -3, so this minus minus become plus. ऐसा नहीं करना है तो you have to remember कि second number with opposite sign. Everyone getting this? x1 y1 जो भी दिया होगा, you have to take that of opposite sign. Now in this case, x1 is given -3. I have taken it direct as +3. y1 is given as +2. I have taken -2. So now next part will be very easy. Just a square solve करना है आपको. 5 + 3 8. 8 का square 64. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 4 का square 16. Whatever answer you'll get. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes. Yes. देखो स्टूडेंट जो आपको सही लगे. देखो जिनको ये नहीं करना है, they can do x2 minus x1. I have told you. The student you can take directly first formula also. बट अगर साइन कंफ्यूजन नहीं करना है तो आपको ये कर सकते हो आप. ठीक है. So don't ask me again same question. So can we use original formula? I am telling you can use original formula. But some student, if you have any doubt in sign confusion, so we have to use this formula. Second number with opposite sign. This concept you'll require in next also, next topic also. For example, now student, on distance formula, we have 3 different questions. First, find a distance, then show that the given figure is parallelogram, show that given figure is rectangle. So now student, and one more is collinear. एक मेन होता है collinear होगा और एक आपका रहेगा figure वाला question. Now student, I'm going to tell you shortcut. देखिए in 10th SSC this part is deleted, but this is MCQ, so we'll use that concept to prove this. For example, student, suppose ABC are 3 points are given. Suppose ABC are 3 points are given. I want to find or मुझे निकालना है whether they are collinear or not. What do you understand by collinear? Collinear means present in a single line. A, B, C. तीनों पॉइंट्स एक लाइन पे प्रेजेंट है. यस. सो स्टूडेंट कोलिनियर का मतलब क्या होगा? प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. बाय योर ट्रेडिशनल मेथड आई एम टेलिंग यू फर्स्ट विल कैलकुलेट 3 डिस्टेंस AB, डिस्टेंस BC, देन डिस्टेंस AC. देखिए ट्रेडिशनल मेथड एंड देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन शॉर्टकट. आपको AB निकालना है डिस्टेंस. हाउ टू कैलकुलेट डिस्टेंस? बाय दिस फॉर्मूला. देन यू आर सपोज्ड टू कैलकुलेट BC. Then you're supposed to calculate AC. You'll get 3 distance. From that, you have to choose 2 smaller distance. Suppose these are 2 smaller, and you have to add them. By adding them, if you are getting third distance, suppose this is 2, this is 5, and this is 7. Third distance 7. If the addition of 2 smaller part is equal to greater part, then points are collinear. देखो ये 2 + 5 करने के बाद 7 मिलेगा. ये भी 7 है. So points are present on the same line. Everyone understanding? Traditional method जो आप कर चुके हो. State board student has already done. CBSE you have already done this. Yes. This method you are following till your 10th standard. Now student will see the different concept. We'll see the different concept that you have to follow here. That concept is already studied by ICSE student. So we are going to solve this by method of slope. ये याद रखना है. This is for your only CET. I know this concept was deleted from your boards, but we can use this for our CET. चलिए slope देखिए student, every line has a slope. So slope का formula, slope is given by M. Formula for slope is student y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Again, y1 x1 with opposite sign लेना है. For example, student, I'll calculate slope here. Same for this. Y2 is 6, y1 is plus 2, so I'll take minus 2. X2 is 5, x1 is minus 3, but I'll take as plus 3. So 4, this and this 8. So I'll get as slope is equal to half. Now students, suppose you have to prove that these 3 points are collinear. We are going to use concept of slope. We'll calculate slope of AB and slope of BC. Any two slope, AB, BC, AC. If that two slopes are equal, then they represent a collinear point set. देखो समझ में आ रहा है क्या? We have 3 points ABC. मैंने AB का slope निकाला by this formula. मैंने BC का slope निकाला by this formula. अगर दोनों के slope equal है तो it indicates a line is same. Slope same है मतलब line भी same, and line same मतलब points are collinear. तनिष्का पर्दे से अभी मैंने इतने सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बताया कि दिस कंसेप्ट इज रिड्यूस फ्रॉम योर बोर्ड्स, बट आप सीईटी कर रहे हो तो आपको सीईटी में कौन से कंसेप्ट से सॉल्व किया ये नहीं बताना है ना. आई होप एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंडिंग ना कि आपके आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि दिस इज नॉट इन योर सिलेबस, बट फॉर सीईटी ऑफ कोर्स वी कैन यूज शॉर्टकट्स ना. आपको मेथड नहीं दिखाना है वहां पे. ओके हाँ, सो डोंट मैसेज मी अगेन सेम स्टूडेंट कि this is related from our syllabus. I know, I have already told you कि this is related from your syllabus, but we can use this. Everyone understood this concept of slope? Yes. Very good, very good, very good. So now student, this concept can be used to identify figure also. This concept can be used to identify figure also. Now what do you understand by figure? For example, student, they have given you 3 vertices A, B, C. Ruturaj Pawar, first mention your branch name. Otherwise, I will remove from you this meeting. I hope everyone got clear-cut instruction how to rename yourself, everyone. Because I'm giving you only 5 minutes. Yes. First your branch name and then your name, at least. Yes. हाँ, सबको मिला होगा. Because from last 3-4 days we are doing same instructions. हाँ, चलो A, B, C. एंड आपको जो भी कोई स्टूडेंट पीडीएफ नहीं मिलेगा, रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं मिलेगा, यू हैव टू कांटेक्ट योर रिस्पेक्टिव ब्रांचेस. ओके, मुझे यहाँ पे बता के कुछ नहीं होगा. चलिए, ए बी सी स्टूडेंट 3 पॉइंट्स आर गिवन एंड आई वांट टू प्रूव दिस आर वर्टाइसेस ऑफ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. These are vertices of right angle triangle. Now first I'll show by traditional method. You'll calculate distance AB, you'll calculate distance BC, you will calculate distance AC. तीनों distance आप निकालोगे, then you'll do addition of square of 2 smaller distance. Suppose this is 3, ये 4 है, ठीक है. अगर उनका addition greater distance का square होता है, उनका addition greater square का distance होता है, तो then we'll say this is following Pythagoras theorem, this is following Pythagoras theorem, है ना. अगर ये Pythagoras theorem है, then triangle is right angle triangle. This was your traditional method. आपको तीनों distance निकालना है, AB, BC. अगर आपने AB निकाला, how to calculate AB? By distance formula. आपने AB निकाला, you got 3. BC निकाला by distance formula, you got 4. AC निकाला, you got as 5. Then this is a Pythagoras theorem valid होगा. Pythagoras theorem valid होगा मतलब ये angle 90 होगा. ये एंगल 90 है मतलब ट्रायंगल कौन सा होगा? राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. सो आपको देखो कितने स्टेप्स करने पड़ेंगे. 3 डिस्टेंसेस. यहाँ पे तो ठीक है, पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट रेडीमेड था. अदरवाइज डू स्क्वेयरिंग, एडिंग ऑफ दिस टू साइड, अगेन स्क्वेयरिंग ऑफ दिस, एंड देन चेक. बट नाउ आई विल टेल यू शॉर्टकट. In this case, student, I will calculate slope of AB. I will calculate slope of BC. Everyone know how to calculate slope. I will calculate this slope. And student, what is the significance of slope? If multiplication of this two slope, suppose this is 3 and this is minus 2 by 3. Suppose if I multiply them, this is minus 1 by 3. If I multiply them, students, so 3 will get cancelled. Product I'll get as minus 1. when we multiply any two slope and we get product as -1. When we multiply any two slope and we get product as -1, then that indicates these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Then this indicates lines are perpendicular to each other. If any two lines are perpendicular to each other, so can I say the triangle will be right angle triangle? Try to your shapes देखने की कोशिश करो सुनी. यहाँ पे इतने सारे shapes है and we have here only two shapes. Again, no झंझट of root sign, everything. सब कुछ आसान है. Check कर लो एक बार. So please give student heading as coordinate geometry. Please give heading as coordinate geometry. First, write down distance formula. Ishani, it is given. Suppose I've given you example. Yes, Arya Mukesh. Always it should be -1. Chaliye. Everyone, please write down first this distance formula. We have total 6 formulas. 5 to 6 formulas in this chapter. Distance formula लिखना है आपको. Then write down the formula for slope. Write down the formula for slope. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Simple formula for slope. पहले आपको distance formula लिखना है, उसके बाद slope लिखना है. After that, student, next is application of slope. Next is application of slope. Application of slope first is collinear. First is collinear. Collinear में आपको लिखना है. This is just an example. Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. You can check to any two slopes, student. 3 points will be given. Prajakta Bhagwat, you have raised your hand. Do you have any doubt? Prajakta Bhagwat from ambitions classes. Chaliye. Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Yes, Sakshi Marne. No, distance के लिए distance ही करना पड़ेगा. Arya Kulkarni, now I'm repeating 5th time. Arya Kulkarni from Snehagarh. I know slope part is deleted. We are आपको एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा फाइंड स्लोप, बट हमने अभी स्लोप के एप्लीकेशन देखे. आर्य आप पहले से प्रेजेंट ही लेक्चर में. So slope we have used this distance same formula to reduce our time. आपको एग्जाम में कोई नहीं पूछेगा कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करके आपने किया है. चलिए सेकंड स्टूडेंट एप्लीकेशन लिखना है आपको. परपेंडिकुलर. In perpendicular right, m1 into m2 is equal to -1. Chali fast, huh? m1 into m2 is equal to -1. Perpendicular का condition. m1 into m2 is -1. No Sanket, sorry. Chaliye. Please write down this Sanket with everyone. I have told you no Sanket, so please don't message same message me again and again. Chaliye. So here this is your distance formula. Chalo, distance formula. Under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1. So I hope everyone understood distance formula. I hope everyone understood application of slope. No one will ask you to direct calculate slope, but we have to apply the concept of slope to check perpendicularness and to check collinear. जब आप formula actual use करोगे student, तो आपको समझ में आएगा. This formula is very, very easy. After that, student, after that, write down the formula for midpoint formula. Midpoint x1 y1 x2 y2. Suppose this is midpoint. Midpoint means dividing two equal parts. X is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. These coordinates are xy. This is first point, this is second point. This already you have done in 10th standard. Chaliye, midpoint formula, x1 plus x2, yes, upon 2, y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Simple formula. उसके बाद already you have done student this in your 10th standard. This is centroid formula. Centroid is for triangle जहां पे तीनों मीडियन इंटरसेक्ट होते हैं, जहां पे तीनों मीडियन इंटरसेक्ट होते हैं, that point is known as centroid. A point, B point, C. Suppose x1 y1, x2 y2, suppose this is x3 y3, and this centroid is given generally by G, x comma y. अगर मुझे centroid निकालना है, so x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Check this. X is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So we have written with midpoint as well as centroid formula. When you give me reply as done, so you have to study last formula, that is section formula. Done, done. Very good, very good, very good, very good. चलिए चलिए. Now should last is A point है, B point है, yes, mooks. Suppose this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. P is any point, P is any point, P is any point which divide this line in two parts. P is any point which divide line in any two parts, but that two parts are unequal. Unequal parts है. Equal होते तो P will be midpoint. Unequal है, so first part will be M, second part will be N, and this point is known as x comma y. So student, x is given by M x2 plus N x1 upon M plus N. This is your section formula. mx2 plus n, cross में याद रखना है आपको, mx2 nx1 upon M plus N upon M plus N. Yes, M and N are ratio. M and N are your ratios. Y is equal to, you can use as my2 plus ny1 upon M plus N. These ratios will be given to you, student. Like P is dividing in the ratio 2:3. Yes. Now CBSE student, in your 10th standard, have used this as M1, M2. But as we are doing this by state board method, we are doing M and N, because in some question they will give you M is to N. तो आपको समझ में आना चाहिए MN क्या है. This is same as M1, M2, which you have used in your 10th standard. देखो कुछ बच्चों ने यूज किया होगा M1 x2 plus M2 x1. ऐसा यूज किया होगा कुछ बच्चों ने कि M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M plus N. But ultimately M1 M2 मतलब ही होगा M upon N. तो याद रखना है आपको, because paper will be according to SSC pattern. So you should know all terms which is used in SSC. M by N. चलिए होने के बाद you may reply as then. We'll see some questions, student, first. We have written 4-5 formulas. Only that much formula are sufficient for this chapter. Yes. There are 30-35 questions, student. Chaliye, first question. Find the distance between points A and B. Chalo, A is given -4, -3. B is given 5, -3. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, student, distance, I'm not going to write formula every time. Chaliye, mujhe x2 karna hai 5. x1 is -4. I'll write as +4, opposite sign, plus. y2 is -3. y1 is -3, so I write +3, bracket ka square. 5 plus 4 9 का स्क्वायर प्लस 3 minus 3 0 0 का स्क्वायर 0 so under root 81 मतलब 9 फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड अपोजिट साइन वाला ये देखो यहाँ पे -4 था आई हैव रिटन डायरेक्टली +4 x1 y1 विद अपोजिट साइन मीनिंग समझ में आ रहा है सो दिस विल सेव योर टाइम स्टूडेंट नहीं तो आपको करना पड़ेगा ना 5 ये -4 then next step minus plus but we have to save our time student so from next question please try to follow this method x2 x1 with opposite sign y2 y1 with opposite sign finish ठीक है so everyone get distance as 9 units चलिए point O is a center of circle point O is a center of circle LM is a diameter of circle LM is a diameter of circle diameter which is passing from center LM coordinates of L are 10,8 coordinates of M is -4,1 find the coordinates of center center मतलब देखो ये diameter था center can I say center of circle is midpoint of diameter these two parts are equal radius है चलो this is x1 y1 this is x2 y2 very good some students give me answer also this is xy चलिए so we have to use midpoint formula student x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 x10 minus 4 upon 2 चलिए so 10 minus 4 6 upon 2 is 3 any need to calculate y coordinate any need to calculate y coordinate think logically any need to calculate y coordinate how we have to save your time student देखिए सारे ऑप्शन देखिए only in one option I have x is equal to 3 तो वही मेरा फाइनल आंसर होगा yes see the option and mark the answer y निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है yes आपको हर एक क्वेश्चन में आपको टाइम सेव करना है स्टूडेंट चलिए अगेन सेम बहुत बार आएगा डिस्टेंस वाला क्वेश्चन t -4,2 r 4, -4 again this is x1 y1 x2 y2 y x2 minus x1 4 x1 is plus -4 so it become +4 y2 is -4 y1 is +2 it become -2 चलिए 4 plus 4 16 60 4 plus 4 8 का स्क्वायर 64 -4 -2 is -6 -6 का स्क्वायर 36 36 मतलब 100 मतलब 10 एक से ज्यादा तक नहीं स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी नेगेटिव नंबर इज पॉजिटिव सो -4 -2 become -6 -6 का स्क्वायर इज 36 yes so it is 10 units I hope everyone is doing with me simple distance formula yes very good चलिए now this you are going to do चलिए midpoint निकालना है simple I am not going to tell anything simple yes very good many students are giving answers very good yes the correct option will be it's not 2,4 huh? it's 1,4 जिन्होंने 2,4 दिया they can check again देखिए 7 minus 5 upon 2 so this is 2 upon 2 is 1 and this is second one is 3 plus 5 upon 2 8 upon 2 is 4 so it will be 1,4 चलिए find the coordinates of center of triangle see in exam no need to draw any diagram so if you get answer in decimal ईशान so option होगा ना decimal में तो क्या फर्क गिरेगा decimal तो decimal में लिखेंगे चलिए direct x is equal to 6 plus 3 plus 0 upon 2 upon 3 centroid का formula I'm using student so y1 is -3 plus 3 minus 3 upon 3 now very good Plus 3 minus 3 cancel. Minus 9 upon 3 is minus 3. This is 9 upon 3 is 3. See, in exam student, no right to need any formula ना. आपको क्यों लिखना है कि x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3? You can directly substitute value, student. Yes or no? समझ में आ रहा है ना? How to save your time? ऐसा आपको लिखने की जरूरत है क्या कुछ? No need to write this all things ना. No need to draw this diagram. Yes or no? Diagram draw करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. You know all these 3 points. So directly this is x1, y, x2, x3. Directly write this. Yes. चलिए next. चलिए 6 comma minus 3. Everyone fast. 4 comma minus 2. Very good. Many students has given answer also. Yes, this is x1 y1, x2 y2. x2 is 4. x1 is plus 6, but I'll take it as minus 6. y2 is minus 2. y1 is minus 3, but I'll take it as plus 3. Opposite sign है ना student मुझे. 4 minus 6 minus 2 का square. Next 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 का square. चलिए minus 2 का square 4, 1 का square 1. So under root 5. Root 5. Prem Sanchiti. This is simple centroid formula. Previous question में Prem. x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 करना था Prem. Everything you have here. This is x1, this is x2, this is x3. तीनों को ऐड करके divide by 3 करना था Prem. Yes. Very good. चलिए. 6 question. Everyone done this? 6 भी हो गया. चलिए. Very good. Now something different. चलिए. A point is given student 2, 2. C point is given -1, 2. Centroid is given student this. Centroid is given -5, 4. Coordinates of B निकालने हैं मुझे. ठीक है. So I'll assume this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. In short, after calculate x2, y2, centroid is given student. Centroid का formula क्या होता है? X is equal to. So this is x, y. X is equal to x1 plus x2, x3 upon 3, x2 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Very good. Many students give the correct answer. -5 into 3, -15. 2 minus 1 is 1 plus x2. ये 1 यहाँ पे आके माइनस हो जाएगा. So -16 is equal to x2. देखिए only in your one option you have this option. ये -16 वाला ऑप्शन. बाकी सारे करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. In the previous question student they asked me centroid. यहाँ पे उन्होंने मुझे centroid दिया है and I have to calculate one coordinate. Same concept. X is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. This x of centroid is given. चलिए. Himesh, यहाँ पे देखो G is a centroid. -5 comma is a centroid Himesh. Where -1 is given. Is this clear Himesh? If G -5 comma 4 is the centroid. So now this you have to do orally also. You can do student this. Oral question है. देखो दोनों को ऐड करके divide by 2. कुछ लिखने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. 6 plus 3 9, 9 by 2. And next is 7 plus 2 9, 9 by 2. जहां पे आपको टाइम सेव करके आएगा वहां पे आपको टाइम सेव करना है स्टूडेंट. Whenever there is possible to saving time, you have to save your time. Now this is something important. Find the ratio. Find the ratio in which point 3, -8 divides internally -6, 10 and 4, 6. Find the ratio in which this point divides internally the segment this and this. So this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. This is xy. Parts will be m, n. Now student, अगर आपको ratio निकालना है, so you can start with x or y, whichever value is known to you. In this case, I have known two values. X भी पता है, y भी पता है. I'll start with x. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. What is value of x? 3. M as it is, x2 is 4, n as it is, x1 is minus 6 upon m plus n. Now shift your m plus n here, student. So it will be 3m plus 3n. 3 से मैंने मल्टीप्लाई किया, यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट ओपन कर लो, 4m minus 6n. So shift your all m on one side, n on one side, 3n as it is, minus 6n यहाँ पे आके हो जाएगा plus 6n. 4m as it is, minus 3m. So this is 9n is equal to m. n को मैंने यहाँ पे शिफ्ट किया, so I got 9 by 1 is equal to m by n. Yes, Harshif Patel. So it's 9 by 1. कहाँ पे दिख रहा है आपको? ठीक से चेक कर लो, चेक किया ना हमने, ठीक से देख लो. Yes, it will be, yes student, it will be 1 by 9 or 9 by 1. Yes, नहीं आती थी. It will be 1 by 9 or 9 by 1. उन्होंने लिया होगा रेशियो n is to m. See student, I have taken m is to n, but someone can take ratio as nm. चलेगा ना, alphabet change हो, but ratio will be same. Ratio will be same. CBSE student, you can solve this by, if you remember, you have solved this by k is to 1 method. CBSE, you have done this by k is to 1. आप रेशियो लेते थे k is to 1. Yes, जो भी आपको मेथड इजी लगेगा उससे करना है, बट रेशियो आपको निकालना है. Yes, चलिए, वेरी गुड. अब आएगा मजा. नाउ इट्स एप्लीकेशन. चलिए पहले ये कर लो, फिनिश सब एवरीवन. डन ना. अब ये देखो, ये ठीक से देखना है. Now this is something different student. 3 points are given, are vertices of right angle triangle. So now student, you have 3 choices to calculate all distance, or otherwise use a concept of slope. Otherwise use a concept. यहाँ पे कहाँ पे दिया आपको मिड पॉइंट यूज करने के लिए? मिड पॉइंट हम क्यों यूज करेंगे ना, रेशियो पूछा है. चलिए, 3 vertices are given and we have to prove whether they have right angle triangle or not. चलिए, अगर मैंने स्लोप का फॉर्मूला यूज किया स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट देखिए, दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सो आई एम सॉल्विंग इन डिटेल. फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन डिटेल करने की जरूरत नहीं है. देखिए, अगर मैं ठीक से आप करोगे स्टूडेंट, इन दोनों का स्लोप निकालना है मुझे. y2 minus y1, 0 minus 8, 0 minus 0. देख लिए क्या हो जाएगा ये, -8 upon 0. ये हो जाएगा नॉट डिफाइंड. अब एक one more shortcut. Whenever slope is not defined, देखो something upon 0 आया ना, something upon 0. Whenever slope is not defined, definitely lines are perpendicular. Are you getting this? जब भी slope आपका not defined आएगा, then lines are perpendicular. If lines are perpendicular, then triangle is right angle triangle. ये ऐसा क्यों आता है? I'll explain that again. If you study 11th standard mathematics, ना आपको एक फॉर्मूला मिलेगा, m is equal to tan theta. This is one more formula for slope student. m is equal to tan theta. अगर ये not define है, tan not define कब होता है? 90 डिग्री के लिए होता है. जब आपका थीटा 90 डिग्री रहेगा, then your slope is not defined. तो आपको सिंपली क्या याद रखना है स्टूडेंट? Forget about all these things. Whenever, yes. What is your doubt? Yes. 0 minus 8 कैसे आएगा ना? Yes, चलिए everyone याद आ रहा है सबको क्या करना है? y2 minus y, राइट है. देखिए जिनको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, x1 y1, x2 y2, I'll solve. m slope is equal to y2 minus y1, 0 minus 8 upon x2 minus x1. So Varad, look at this. Yes, you can find slope between any two points. Is this clear, Varad? How it's minus 8 denominator? Formula is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. देखिए, अगर आप normal method से करते थे student, so you have to find 3 distance and then apply Pythagoras theorem. But comparatively, this is easy. Yes or no? Slope formula already we have written, Mansi, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. In the beginning only we have written the formula, student. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? everyone y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So please make practice of this, student. It will save your time. And if you're doing 11-12 science with mathematics, then आपको एक one more chapter you have, the straight line. Commerce भी कर रहे होगे maths लेके, तो आपको एक chapter लगेगा ये. In straight line you have this all concept of slope. Yes. चलिए, इसका distance निकालना है. So answer is true ना इसका? Yes, right angle triangle है. चलिए, distance x2 minus x1 minus 5 plus 7 का हो जाएगा minus 7. y2 is minus 5, 0 का 0. So minus 12 का स्क्वायर minus 5 का स्क्वायर. देखिए, अगर आपका लॉजिक क्लियर होगा ना स्टूडेंट, इफ योर लॉजिक इज क्लियर, आई वुड से इसके कुछ करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. आपको पता है 12 और 5 है. सो कैन आई से दिस विल बी अ पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट. जब मेरे पास 12 है, 5 है, सो आगे सॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं है ना. नो नीड टू सॉल्व दिस. देखो, थोड़ा बेसिक आपको क्लियर होना जरूरी है स्टूडेंट. अगर आप सॉल्व कर भी लेते हो, सो 144 मिलेगा, 25 मिलेगा, 169 मिलेगा, उसके बाद 13 लिखोगे. But what is need of this? If you know the Pythagorean triplet, कि 12 है, 5 है, तो next number will be 13. Already we have seen this triplet in trigonometry chapter. याद होगा तो 3, 4, 5. Yes. 9, 40, 41. 12, 5, 13. Yes. Yes. चलिए. So this is 13 unit. चलिए, midpoint. Calculate midpoint. I am not going to calculate midpoint. -1 आएगा पहले. Yes. B option. Yes. Everyone should get this option, student. B option. x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Yes, x1 plus x2, that is 3 minus 5 upon 2, minus 2 upon 2, that is -1. You have only in one option -1, so directly click as -1. आगे करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Direct as -1. चलिए, now again same type of question, students. Centroid वाला question. P is given -12 -8. Q is given -7 5. Centroid is given -3 -2. And you have to solve this. चलिए, सेम आपको करना है स्टूडेंट. नाउ इन दिस केस यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट x3 y3. अगेन द सेम. x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Now again, student, I'll just give you a hint, student. Don't use this formula. Just wait. Just wait. Look at your all options, student, in question number 13. All option. देखो, which will be more beneficial to calculate x or y first to reach your answer quickly. देखो, आप अगर आप x calculate करोगे ना student, you have 3 same values for x. 3 x के same values है. So ultimately you have to calculate y also. So I'll try with y, students. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. अब y का formula is -2, y1 is -8, 5, y3 upon 3 multiply -6 -3 plus y3 -6 plus 3 y3. So y3 is equal to -3. Look at now your option, student. In only one option you have y is equal to -3. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Why we have started with y and not with x? Student, calculations are easy. Understanding part is important. हमने y choose क्यों किया, x क्यों नहीं किया? अगर आप x करते थे स्टूडेंट तो आपको 10 मिलता. सो यहाँ पे भी 10 है, यहाँ पे भी 10 है, यहाँ पे भी 10 है. So again you have to solve for y ना. So instead of that we have solved by y. So you get direct answer. Direct answer this. 10 comma minus 3. It is 10 comma minus 3. Now, चलिए again, which concept you are going to use? Slope वाला concept use करके देख लिए. चलिए. So this is minus 2 comma 1, 0 comma 1, 0 comma 4. I'll use the first for this 2 point, 1 comma 1, 0 minus 2. 1 minus 1, 0 upon minus 2. Slope is 0. ठीक है. इन दोनों का slope. चलिए इन दोनों का slope 4 minus 1 upon 0 minus 0. 3 upon 0 is not defined. Not defined का मतलब क्या बताया था स्टूडेंट मैंने? Whenever slope will be not defined, it is perpendicular. So answer is true. कोई भी slope not defined होना चाहिए. कोई भी slope. Either it will be not defined or the multiplication will be minus 1. Simple सी बात है. Next, please check this fast. अब तक आप स्टूडेंट आपको 15 क्वेश्चन स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है. 3 पॉइंट्स आ गए. कोलिनियर है क्या नहीं चेक करना है. आई हैव टोल्ड यू कोलिनियर का संस्कृति देवकर वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस जीरो वाला. यहाँ पे जीरो वाला चेक कर लो आप. बाकी सब छोड़ दो. संस्कृति देवकर यस. यहाँ पे प्लस हुआ तो भी आंसर विल बी 0 ओनली ना संस्कृति. चलिए this 3 points slope should be equal. Any two slopes should be equal student. I'll find first इन दोनों का slope. चलिए y2 minus y1, this will be minus 2 और यहाँ पे रहेगा 4 comma minus 2. check this. देखो स्लोप दोनों का 0 0 भी आ सकता है. this is 0 upon 2 is 0. अब इन दोनों का स्लोप चेक कर लीजिए. देखो समझ में आ रहा है कि एवरीवन 0 upon anything will be 0. Please check everyone. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Yes, Tanishk. Okay, you have to find slope. This minus this upon this minus this. Then I have taken this pair. Then I have taken this pair. Third one is 0. छोड़ दो. कोई भी दो 0 है. अगर कोई भी दो equal भी है student, if any two slopes are equal, then it will be a collinear. Concept समझ में आ रहा है? देख लो everyone. Slope 0 upon anything will be 0. Now one more logic student to understand this. यहाँ जब ये टाइप के क्वेश्चन आएंगे ना, yes, वाह तनिष, स्लोप अगर सेम है तो लाइन्स आर पैरेलल आल्सो. Yes, Aditi. Yes. Now student one more. If you plot the graph of this student, please pay attention. अगर आप में रफ में इसका ग्राफ प्लॉट करना चाहो तो आपको कैसे मिलेगा? ठीक से देखो. 3 comma minus 2. Yes, okay. 3 comma minus 2 यहाँ पे आएगा. minus 3 comma minus 2 यहाँ पे आएगा. कहीं तो भी आएगा. and 4 comma minus 2 यहाँ पे आएगा. अगर आप ठीक से देखोगे स्टूडेंट, लाइन तीनों सेम पास होगी. मतलब क्या है? देखो y is same for all. y coordinate is same for all 3 points. अगर ऐसा भी कहीं होगा कि तीनों का x सेम है, तीनों का y सेम है, तीनों का x सेम है, तीनों का y सेम है, then points are also collinear. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes. Everyone. अगर तीनों का x भी सेम है, otherwise y भी सेम है, तो no need to this all calculation. This is the third thing. अगर सेम है तो no need to this all calculations. चलिए. Now this you are going to try. G दिया है, सेंट्रोइड है, M पता है, N पता है, L निकालना है. x1 y1 known, x2 y2 known, calculate x3 y3. कहा now which will be better way student, x or y? Better way x or y? better way, x or y? Yes, we will calculate x because y में बहुत बार -3 है. Yes, so calculate with x, student. So what is x? -4 is equal to x1 plus x2. Your x2 is again -1 plus x3 upon 3 -12 -4 plus x3. Shift this here. -12 plus 4 is equal to x3. How, Vedant? It's C option. C कैसे आएगा? This is -8. Everyone should get B option. -8 को माइनस सिंपल है, y कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. No need to calculate y. चलिए, again the same. Find the coordinates of point which divides point 8,9 -7,4 in the ratio 2:3. Suppose this P point is dividing x, y, x1, y1, x2, y2. Use the formula for x. अब यहाँ पे भी अप्लाई करो स्टूडेंट. लॉजिक, x करोगे क्या y करोगे? Think logically. X करोगे क्या y करोगे? You should start with y, student, because all y coordinates are different. So start with y. Start with y and you will get immediate answer. my2 plus my1. Yes, B option. चलिए. Again, चलिए. Distance. Fast student now. Everyone you have to increase your speed now. Distance के लिए. चलिए. इसमें क्या डाउट था इसमें? Someone has doubt in this. Yes, I don't know doubt क्या था. Y is equal to my2. I'm solving this. Some student has doubt in this. So y I don't know. M is 2, y2 is 4. And as it is, y1 they have given as 9. Up to 2 plus 3 is 5. Anish from RJ. 4 plus, यहाँ पे n is also given as 3. Yes. So Anish 8. 27 upon 5. So this will be 35 upon 5, which is 7. Yes. Anish, your doubt is clear. This is y is 7. Yes. इसका आंसर भी आएगा 10 units. Answer will be 10 units. Yes. Simple distance था. अब ये बताइए. चलिए. Again, simple concept, student. Point M is the center of circle. NQ is a diameter. NQ is a diameter of circle. N 3, -1. Find the coordinates of center. Midpoint निकालना है आपको. चलिए, midpoint 3 plus 2. Again, I'll try with the y. Y will be easy for me. Yes, look at this. x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Simple midpoint formula. Yes. Now this is something different. Find the coordinates of point. Now student, चलिए. Yes, यहाँ पे find the coordinates of point. This A point is 5, 2. This is 2, 1. Find the points of trisection, student. Now, what do you understand by trisection? Trisection is a line dividing 3 equal parts. I hope everyone has read it in your previous standard. Trisection. Trisection matlab 3 equal parts. So now, student, 3 equal parts So you have to apply logic. Question बहुत बड़ा है, but you have to go with the option students. देखिए ये 1 हो जाएगा, ये 1 है, ये भी 1 है. So think logically. कौन सा पॉइंट हम कैलकुलेट कर ले पहले? Think logically. A, P और Q. देखो हम अगर Q कैलकुलेट करने की कोशिश करेंगे, suppose by bad luck we got 4. Again we have to start other point. Think logically. Can I say first we'll calculate P point? Can I say first I'll calculate P point, student? अगर हम P का X भी निकाल देते हैं, so our question will be get solved. If I want to solve, student, P point, can I say for P point M is equal to 1, N is equal to 2? Yes or no? For P point, जो P के पहले होगी that is M, जो B के part present होगी that is N. So यहाँ पे 1 plus 1 कितना हो जाएगा? 2. Up now student try to calculate X for P. So X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon M plus N. चलिए M is 1, x2 is 2, N is 2, x1 is 5 upon 3, 3, 10. एक बार check, this is 2, sorry. 2 ones are 2, yes. So 12 upon Omkar, Kalkude is not possible, student. Omkar, already I have said, and this is from 10 standard. चलिए. Again, I have to write formula. This is not possible, Omkar. चलिए. क्या मिल रहा है everyone? Please check. mx2. 2, 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 5 upon 3. Yes, 4 मिल रहा है. चलिए. So again now calculate y. Y भी calculate करना पड़ेगा. चलिए. Y for this. Y is m by 2. Y2 is 1. N. Y1 is this. ऐसा कौन सा पॉइंट है 4,5/3? देखिए पूरा सॉल्व करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है स्टूडेंट. यू हैव ऑप्शन बी इन विच योर वन पॉइंट इज 4,5/3. पूरा सॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं है. डायरेक्टली कैन राइट 4,5/3. आई होप एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड. बोर्ड्स में अगर होता कृतिका एन पी के बाद जो भी पार्ट होते 1 + 1 2. दैट इज एन. पी के पहले जो दैट इज एम. जो भी पॉइंट आपको निकालना है उसके पहले पार्ट विल बी एम और बाद वाले पार्ट विद एन. जैसे अगर कृतिका मुझे एन के लिए निकालना है तो एन के पहले 2 पार्ट्स है. सो एम इज इक्वल टू 2, एन इज इक्वल टू 1. चलिए क्लियर है सबको? नो नीड टू सॉल्व फॉर अदर पॉइंट्स. बाय गेटिंग 1 पॉइंट वी अंडरस्टूड कि हमें करना क्या है. यस. अगर आप और अच्छे से लॉजिक अप्लाई करते स्टूडेंट, इफ यू अप्लाई गुड लॉजिक, कि देखो अगर ये सारे पॉइंट्स में दिस y इज डिफरेंट, हाँ तो पहले y भी निकाल सकते हो. नॉट नेसेसरी कि x से निकालना है, जो मर्जी आप निकाल सकते हो. चलिए यहाँ पे देखो. चलिए R is the center of circle, PQ is the diameter. Find the coordinates of R. P and Q are given. P is 0, 8 and this is 4, 12. चलिए 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 upon 2 is 2. If you do already also x1 plus x2. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 upon 2 is 2. No need to solve other points. No need to solve other points. Chali, same now section formula you have to use. Coordinates which divide line segment. 4, -3. 8, 5. In the ratio 3:1. चलिए अप्लाई लॉजिक कहां से स्टार्ट करोगे? एक्स और वाई. You are going to start with x or y. Y will be easy, yes, because x बहुत बार 2 बार same है. So y will be, yes, good choice. You'll get this 7,3. Check this. सब लोग ठीक से check करना. You'll get 7,3. Very good. Chali, now this fast. Trisection. Again, the logic same. Was Prasanna Singh? क्या नहीं समझा आपको? You don't know Prasanna this formula. XY calculate करना है. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. अगर मैंने यहाँ पे y का फॉर्मूला यूज किया my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Do you know formula this Prasanna? आपको फॉर्मूला पता है? Yes or no Prasanna? हाँ, तो इसमें डाउट क्या है आपको? मतलब m आपको सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है 3, y2 is 5, n1, y1 is -3, 3 plus 1 4 करना है आपको. 15 minus 3 upon 4, 12 by 4 is 3. So y3 is only in one option. So this is my correct option. So what is your doubt, Prasanna? So बाकी student 3 equal, but again 1, 1, 1. Check this. Yes, 1, 1, 1. C option मिल रहा है आपको ना? C option मिलेगा. Very good, very good, very good. C option, you are getting C option. Yes, very good. चलिए. Now please increase your speed, student. Yes, already we have done this. Joyce, already we have done this. अगर P आपको निकालना है, you take M1, N2 निकालना है, and again section formula आपको use करना है. जैसे हमने यहाँ पे किया था. Nothing is different. Same आपको use करना है. So I'm assuming now student everyone will have section formula कैसे use करना पता है. उसमें कोई doubt नहीं होगा. चलिए. Distance between 2 points. चलिए. -3, 2, 1, -2. x1 y1, x2 y2, y2 minus y1 और x2 minus x1, 1 माइनस निकाल लिया मैंने +3 का स्क्वायर, -2 का स्क्वायर, 3 + 1 4, 4 का स्क्वायर 16, -4 का स्क्वायर 16, √32. √32 can be solved as 16 into 2, that is 4√2. Check this. 4√2. Simple. I hope everyone understood question number 24. 24, sorry, 24. चलिए, midpoint. Orally करना है आपको, without pain. 4 + 3 7, 7/2. 7 + 2 9, 9/2. 7/2, 9/2. Simple answer. Yes. Which concept you are going to use? कोलिनियर का कंसेप्ट यूज स्लोप करना है हमें. चलिए 1, -1, 3, 4. Slope will be y2 minus y1, 4, minus of minus plus. So this will be 5/2. I'll check slope of this to suppose. Start again. चलिए ठीक से करना इनका स्लोप. y2 minus y1, 4, plus 1, x2 minus x1, minus 3 minus 1. Are the slopes are equal? Slopes equal nahi hai. Slopes equal nahi hai, so points are non-collinear. Hence the statement will be false. सबको समझ में आ रहा है कि कैसे यूज करना है स्लोप का कंसेप्ट? You can choose any 2 points, student, any 2 points. आपको ये पॉइंट्स भी अगर क्लियर करना है तब ये भी कर सकते हो आप कि लाइक 4 minus 4 minus 3 minus 3 minus 6 आ जाएगा तो 0 इक्वल है ना. इक्वल नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते हम. चलिए यस कोमल, चलिए find a distance between 2 points. Yes कोमल, distance between these points 5 minus 3 bracket square, 8 minus 4 bracket square. 5 minus 3 2 का square, 4 का square. 2 का square is 4, 4 का square is 16, that is root 20. 4 into 5, 4 अगर बाहर आता है so it is 2 root 5. You should know student how to simplify this root 20. वो आपको पता होना जरूरी है. How we can do this? One of 3 points will be bigger than 2. So bigger है तो उससे क्या करना है मोक्षा में? We have to just use the slope concept. It is not related with bigger and smaller. हमें simply slope use करना है. चलिए again which concept you are going to use? No modes. चेक करके देखा ना. चलिए इन दोनों का slope I'll calculate. By 2 4 minus 9 upon 2 minus 2. 4 minus 9 नीचे 0 आ रहा है. नीचे 0 मतलब not defined, and not defined मतलब right angle triangle. Yes. कोई भी स्लोप अगर ये भी आप करते थे सेम आंसर आपको मिलता था. Yes. चलिए again distance between, simply distance निकालना है. y2 minus y1 4, ये minus 3 है, minus minus plus 4 minus 4 0, 4 plus 3 7, square square root cancel. Answer will be A 7 units. Answer will be A 7 units. Check. Now this is something different. A is given 3 comma y, B is given x comma 2, C is given 3 comma 4, R the vertices, centroid is 4 comma 5. Find x and y. चलिए कोई भी निकालो. I'll start with either x. Don't go with y. Start with x. This is xy. So x मतलब 4 is equal to x1, x2, x3 upon 3. This is x1, this is x2, this is x3. You can change your name. अब अगर किसी प्रकार यहाँ से x1 लेना है, they can give x1. 4 3s are 12, 6 x. X is equal to 6. We have only in one option that C option, जिसमें हमें एक ही x is equal to 6. चलिए व्हाट रिपीट प्रश्न, क्या रिपीट करना है प्रश्न? सेंट्रॉइड का फॉर्मूला आपको पता होगा कि x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 3. तो फॉर्मूला यूज करना है प्रश्न. यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू 4 है तो 4 is equal to ये 3 ये x. So 3 plus x upon 3. 4 3s are 12 and solve. We will get x is equal to 6. So what is your doubt प्रश्न? I don't know. चलिए 31. Whether the points are collinear or not. Whether the points are collinear or not. Calculate slope. So I'll calculate slope. Someone is saying A, someone is saying B. Minus 5,7, minus 4,5. चलिए 5 minus 7, minus 4 plus 5. इनका first 2 point का slope is 2. Now इनका slope चलिए y2 minus y1, minus 5 minus 5, 1 plus 5. Sorry, 1 plus 4. हाँ एक बार चेक करो, एक बार let me check again. 5 minus 7. Yes, इसका minus 5 minus y, 1 plus 4. करेक्ट है ना? It's not plus 2. मतलब हाँ मतलब false है ना statement. Sorry, ये 1 आएगा. Sorry. Please check. 5 minus 4 is 1 student. And again you look at here minus 2. So slope same आ रहा है ना, minus 2. Slope हमें same रहना student. तो कोलिनियर क्यों नहीं होंगे? Many students give me answer as B. देखो दोनों के स्लोप इक्वल है, -2 ठीक से चेक करना है. दोनों -2 स्लोप सेम है. स्लोप सेम है तो स्टेटमेंट क्या होगा? ट्रू होगा. चेक दिस एवरीवन. स्लोप वाला फॉर्मूला आदित्य, स्लोप वाला y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. कोई भी दो पॉइंट का स्लोप सेम आता है, देन पॉइंट्स आर कोलिनियर. चलिए मिड पॉइंट. You'll get this. We check y से चेक करना है आपको. If we solve with y, you get ready answer -3 minus 5. -5 minus 3 upon 2. So -8 upon 2 is -4. -4 is present only in one option. चलिए कोलिनियर है क्या नहीं? अगेन द स्लोप का कंसेप्ट. -2, 2, 0, 3, 4, 5. चलिए y2 minus y1, 3 minus 2, 0 plus 2. So 1/2. इनका स्लोप 5 minus 3, 4 minus 0. False pronoun, full figure. ए आंसर है ना. ट्रू स्लोप्स इक्वल आ रहे मेरे. आपके भी तो इक्वल आने चाहिए, हाफ हाफ आ रहे होंगे. Then why statement is false student? If slopes are equal, statements are true. Yes, everyone understood now how to apply slope का concept student. अब तो आपको पता चला होगा using slope is very easy. rather than calculate all three distances जो आप पहले करते थे 10th में. सारे डिस्टेंस निकालो, दो स्मॉल डिस्टेंस को ऐड कर लो, देन थर्ड डिस्टेंस मिलेगा. बट आई थिंक दिस इज इजी. within 1 minute you will get your answer student using slope concept. चलिए PQR are given a triangle, centroid is given. चलिए 3,5 is centroid. K, 3, 5, 6, 2, M. चलिए x is equal to m1. देखिए पहले करना y. m easy है स्टूडेंट. हमें पहले y कैलकुलेट करना इजी है. डोंट कैलकुलेट x. नो गार्गी, इट्स 10:30 होता है आज. क्या लगे? यस वेदांत. someone is saying A, someone is saying क्या आंसर मिल रहा है आपको? D ना? everyone reading D आंसर ना? हाँ start with y, that is 5 is equal to 3 plus 6 plus m. 15, 9 plus m. So m is equal to 6. Only one option. Very good. Chaliye. Right angle triangle, true or false? Right angle triangle, true or false? Someone is saying false, someone is saying true. Again, I have to check. 3, 3, minus 2, minus 4, 3, minus 1. Slope निकालना है. So y2 minus y1, minus 4 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3, minus 7 minus 5, 7 by 5. First का slope is 7 by 5. Okay. Now I'll check slope of this student. Minus 1. The minus minus plus हो जाएगा ये 3 plus 2. 3 by 5. Now should I have third choice also? ये third वाला भी choice एक मेरे पास. So this will be minus 1 minus 3. क्या मिल रहा है? मिला किसी को? You're not getting multiplication minus 1. Are you getting multiplication minus 1? नहीं मिल रहा ना? कहाँ पे भी हमें multiplication minus 1 नहीं मिल रहा student. So statement. Yes, but last आप करोगे तो आपको not define मिलेगा. Not define का मतलब not define का मतलब 90 डिग्री कोलिनियर का कंसेप्ट नहीं करना है, राइट एंगल का करना है. 90 डिग्री मतलब परपेंडिकुलर ना. All three slope students. So we check. Yes. कोलिनियर के भी स्लोप यूज करना है, राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल के आपको करना है. चलिए चलिए सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल है, ए बी डायमीटर है. यस चलिए चलिए लास्ट 2 क्वेश्चंस आर पेंडिंग. midpoint concept use किया. Someone is saying A, someone is saying B, someone is saying D. 3 options by 3 students. Now I'm getting maximum reply as D, 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 D. Yeah. Again B, B, B. तो देख लिए क्या मिल रहा है आपको. You should get D option. D. Oral answer है oral. 4 plus 6, 6 upon 2 is 3. X is 3, X is 4. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 upon 2 is 7 upon 2. चलिए distance. Distance. Five units. Yes. Everyone should get distance as 5 units. Simply x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 whole bracket square. Next, distance. Fast. Distance. Again, this is Pythagorean triplet student. 8, 6, 10 is your Pythagorean triplet. Next. चलिए चलिए फास्ट. सेंट्रोइड ऑफ ट्रायंगल निकालना है. ओरल करने की कोशिश कर लो. You can get oral answer student also for this. देखिए ओरल भी कर सकते हो आप, बट आप दोनों निकालना पड़ेगा. एच बी वाई बी. C, someone is saying A. How it C? I don't know. I add करते हैं हम 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 2 7. So it should be 7 by 3. If you add X, 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 1 8. So 8 by 3 7 by 3. 8 by 3 7 by 3. So ये ऑप्शन चाहिए आपको. चलिए चलिए someone is saying B, someone is saying C. 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 upon 3 is 10, 10 is compulsory. उसके बाद ये 7 है, ये 5 है, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 by 3 is 5. So 10 comma 5. Yes. I hope, yes. So further you can send on WhatsApp. Yes. I hope everyone understood this chapter, coordinate geometry. Okay. So like today not said anything new.